Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a blast rule in Warhammer 40k 10th edition. To do this, first you'll need to check if your weapon has a blast. If it has blast in the profile, you'll be able to use it against your enemies. Now in your shooting phase, when you decide to shoot that weapon, it usually has a random number of attacks. For example, let's say that this guy has a blast on his weapon and he'll be shooting at the other guy on the right. And now we need to roll the amount of attacks we're gonna make. So for example, let's say that it's 2 times a d6. So he just made 3 attacks, and now let's say that this is a unit of 10 models, which for each 5 models we can add additional attack to that roll. So if there was 10, we can change that 1 to 3. So now he makes 5 attacks, then you move on to the hit roll, wound roll and a save roll. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.